In 2006, we formed a group of motivated students with the support of a professor. We built our first car and launched it at events in 2008. Since then, we have built a vehicle every year. Between 2011 and 2015, we built cars with an electric motor, and the rest of the time, we used a combustion engine. In 2021, we will again use an electric motor. My name is Viola Mc Kearney. I'm the team manager of Scuderia Mensa, the racing team of the Rhein-Main University of Applied Sciences. I'm responsible for the project organization and administration of the finances in the team, and I ensure that we reach the goal of building a car. We take part in the Formula Student competitions. This is the world's largest design competition. There are about 20 events taking place all over the world, in locations like Hockenheimring, Silverstone, and Barcelona. And every year, about 1,000 teams from all over the world take part in the events. In the team this year, there are about 50 students working on the project. We are organized like a small company in different departments: powertrain, electronics, vehicle dynamics, body, aerodynamics, business media, and last but not least, driverless technology, because we're supposed to drive autonomously in 2022. We are organized so that every team member has their own work package for which they are responsible and must work completely independently. With BricsCAD Mechanical, we have designed the Monocoque this year. That's the chassis, the rear frame, and the suspension. The simple and intuitive handling of BricsCAD is especially nice when you use it for the first time. Even if you have never opened the program before, then you know immediately, okay, I have to press this to do that. And this works through many handy little symbols. There's always a description and a good search bar, and it fares especially well in comparison to other CAD software packages. The team needs to communicate a lot, especially when designing the monocoque, because the drilling points on the monocoque must be designed, and the place where the chassis is mounted at the end needs to be precisely determined. There is a great deal of communication among the team, and for this, BricsCAD is an excellent tool to work with. Also, when we send the parts for manufacture, which is often the case, the manufacturer has not yet had any problems opening the BricsCAD files we have provided. Through Mervisoft, we had the opportunity to take part in a training course to get to know the software. We switched to BricsCAD at the beginning of the year, and then booked some training with BricsCAD Germany. However, due to the coronavirus crisis, this was changed with only 3 days' notice, from classroom training to online training. 10 of our team members still got a super insight into how to work with BricsCAD. Training in general is very important to us. The great advantage of the Formula Student program is that we can further develop our learning in other programs outside of our studies and get a first insight into BricsCAD, so our entry into BricsCAD has been made even easier.